Hey, go to me. Good job. Raquel, your turn. Ready? Put the puzzle down. Yucky. Haley's ready. Go ahead, Jack. I'll throw it to you. Are you going to take it? Careful. Ready? Raquel, take the puzzle out of your mouth or I'm going to have to throw... Oh, now I have to throw the puzzle away. That's yucky.
Happy.
No, I'm not happy. Come on. Throw it. Throw it. Ooh. Hey. Hey. You don't do that.
Happy.
That is not happy. I want you to tell Haley that you're sorry.
I'm happy.
No, you kiss Haley and tell her you're sorry, not me. Give her a kiss. Tell her you're sorry.
Sorry, honey.
Give her a kiss on the cheek. That's where you hurt her. Give her a kiss on her cheek. She's waiting. Go on, Raquel. Good girl. Okay. Ready to play ball now? Okay. You gonna throw it, Haley? Throw it to me. I'm gonna throw it to Haley. Ready? I'm gonna get you, Haley. Get it. Oh, you're all upset now, huh? Throw it to me real hard. Ready? Woohoo! Go get it, Raquel. Okay, or Haley.
Don't put me in.
Okay. Ready, Haley? Get those eyes out. Get ready to catch. No, Raquel? Ready? Good. Catching. Ready, Haley? You want to catch? Okay. Put your arms out. Get it. Throw it back. Whoa! Very good throwing. Sorry.